So our next cocktail is going to be called Temperant Tiki. So clearly this is one of those ones where we found an idea, or at least a vein of cocktail culture that we wanted to replicate. We wanted to give somebody something fun and tiki or tropical and exotica, and you've placed with some of those flavors in a drink that could be interesting to drink but not have any alcohol in it. So this one has passion fruit syrup, which we make by getting passion fruit nectar or passion fruit puree, and then making a syrup out of that passion fruit puree. And then we use some fresh orange juice, fresh lime juice, and some more of the non-alcoholic Fee Brothers Aromatic Bitters. So we're gonna get our glass right there, and our passion fruit. Got an ounce of that. A couple ounces of fresh squeezed OJ. 1, 2. I like orange juice with passion fruit. The flavors really meld very well. And orange kind of plays a subservient role to the passion fruit, so it just stretches your passion fruit syrup in the flavor-wise, but kind of mutes it just a little bit. But lets it still be the star of the show. There's some lime juice, because it's a tiki drink after all. And then a couple of dashes of Fee Brothers. We're gonna put those right on top. So when we're using bitters, like non-potable, generally speaking, aromatic bitters, we can use them as bitters by putting them in the drink and letting them balance the sweetness. But we have enough lime juice in here to kind of handle that workload. What we're actually going to use these aromatic bitters for this time is aromatics. So we're going to shake that a little longer because we're going to serve this drink up. We want to get it nice and cold. All the dilution is going to happen right now. We're not pouring it on the rocks and letting the ice continue to dilute the drink over time, so we don't really have to account for that. Just going to take a couple of bitters here. Just some drops. There you go. And so as I said earlier, Fee Brothers Aromatic has a really big wallop of cinnamon. And you got cinnamon now, which is an allspice. And those are really, really tried and true flavors in the tropical drink canon. So that's going to mix really well with passion fruit and OJ and fresh lime. And we're going to garnish that with a little lime wheel, Temperant Tiki.